We can't do away from conducting athletic meets. This is an avenue for our potential athletes to display their body kinesthetics, which also can greatly help maintain good health, a great factor to attain good academic outputs, to attain quality education. All work and no play, so they say, makes John a dull boy. To our athletes and coaches, let's play for a stronger Vadea, Vargas District Elementary Athletic Association, so that come provincial meet, as usual and as proven and tested, we will bring home the CPAM, the Cagayan Provincial Athletic Meet crown as the general champion elementary level. At this point, we would like to express our sincere acknowledgement to our honorable congressman, now represented by his son, the ABC chairman of Abulug, for giving us a financial assistance of 50,000 pesos. But we are asking Sir Manny for more, because this was usually 50,000 pesos years ago. Now that the prices have doubled, we are asking for more. Please, may we request you that our request will reach the ears of our beloved congressman. Of course, we say thank you to the host district for hosting this event, a perennial host for this event. Of course, to our deputy officials headed by Sir Gilbert from DO, we say thank you for your gift of presence. And of course, may I now say, let's play for a strong Verdea. Let's pray to be the general champion come CPAM 2009. Hep hep! Hep hep! Mabuhay ang Verdea! Mabuhay ang 2nd District of Cagayan! Good morning, and good morning.